Welcome back to J Lifeable. So today I'm not going to cook or anything. I'm here at one of my close friend's shop. It's called SOAK Splash. So he does a lot. He sells taps, etc., bathrooms, sinks, etc. But I'm not here to buy that today. What I'm here to buy is dates, kajur for Ramadan. So as you know, it's Ramadan. So he does sell loads of different type of kajur. So we'll get him in a minute to explain to us what kajus he's got. He's got ajwa and various other kajus from Medina, but he also sells these pots. So have you seen me make a katwa ghost? And we have get him to show us this, but he's got the big pots here. So he got the katwis, different type of katwis. We'll show you that. The owner here, my friend, good friend Adnan. So Adnan, we're here today to get some stuff you're selling here and find out what you guys. So I use a lot of these karais and katwis in my videos as well. So I want to know what you got here. So can we start from here, Adnan?
This is a Kalay Karahi. This is our extra large sauce. In this one you can cook around 3 to 4 kilo lamb or chicken, anything you like.
Yeah.
But first time when you cook this one, it has to be first time you have to put the milk inside, not put the water inside.
Okay.
First time, put the milk, burn the milk, and go around it.
Yeah.
And then after that you use, they won't leak.
That's quite good actually, giving that instruction. So then it lasts long, right?
That's longer. And you don't need to be put like again the mud on the bottom.
Yeah.
You don't need to do it.
So it's why it is.
It's only once they've done it, that's fine. You don't need to do it.
Okay. So what's the price of that?
This one depends on the price. Every time is buy from supplier different. But they start from £22.
Okay.
Then we have the next size. This one's medium size.
Yeah.
Same again. The clay dishes. That's from £18.
Yeah. What's the how much can you cook in there?
For this one you can cook around 2.5 kilo.
2.5 kilo.
And when you cook this one, they go very quick hot.
Yeah.
And they stay for longer hot as well.
Right.
And then you have this one small size.
Yeah.
This one costs £13.
Yeah.
And you can cook around kilo. But we do have another size between them. We're out of stock at the moment.
Okay.
That's around £16.
Yeah.
And where you can cook around 2 kilo.
Okay.
All these they are a price.
Yeah.
Price different than Handi's. So like this one also we have a metal price. This one around £9.
Yeah.
Also the carry the handles, everything. They don't come with a lid.
Okay.
Then they come to this Handi. This is an extra large size.
Yeah.
Which one you can cook around 4 kilo.
Yeah, that looks like proper katwi.
This one costs you around £16. This
That's
one
cheap
comes
actually.
Comes with a lid as well.
Yeah, that's actually quite cheap. So that's the lid.
We'll give you with the lid as well.
Yeah.
And you're looking for £16.
So with the lid is £16, right?
With the lid is £16.
That's quite cheap actually. That's quite cheap compared to the shops.
This one's £7 with
Yeah.
the lid. It's
Yeah.
a smaller size.
Yeah.
Then we do this is the medium size.
Yeah.
Which one is £9, and then we do another size, which one is large size. That's for the £12.
So that size is bigger than this.
No, this was same size.
Oh, they're both same size. Okay.
Same size. That's someone like slightly more wider, and this one slightly narrow.
Okay.
It's a £16. Comes with a lid as well.
Cool.
And first time when you cook,
What we've got here?
this is clay jug.
Yeah.
This is the large size. This
Okay.
one looking for £7.
Yeah.
And this is the medium size, £5. All
Okay.
the prices they can go up and down because when we buy from suppliers, due to COVID, some prices goes higher, and when it goes lower, we do go. Okay, these are a clay jug.
Yeah.
In this one you can hold about 2 litre water,
Yeah.
and this one you're looking for price for £7, and this one around 1.5 litre water inside you're looking for price for £5.
Okay.
The price all the time is depend. Sometimes they go lower and sometimes it goes higher. If they go lower, we charge you lower price. If they go higher, we charge you higher price.
Yeah.
This one made with marble, and this one called Langry, and
Yeah.
each one is around £5. We also do have different size. And this is a clay plate
Yeah.
where you can have some rice or you can have kheer inside.
Or katwa ghost like me.
Katwa gosh, you can have that one. They start from £3. We have this one £3 side, £3. Then we have our next side, which was around £6, and this one's around £7.
Yeah, that's
We'll try
nice.
to look after. Also, we can give you more discount.
Okay.
These are for a salad plate.
Yeah.
These for £1 each.
Yeah.
You can have mug for £1. This is called jar. It's a nice proper design.
Yeah.
So you can drink the water, you can drink the tea inside.
Yeah.
As you anything you like.
Yeah.
Then we have this one like another mug,
Nice.
like with a flower on it.
Yeah.
And then this is the Piala.
Piala, I love Piala.
We do like a lot of this kind of stuff, especially when you drink the water inside. You smell the clay. From
Yeah,
the
and
back of, like,
it's very tasty, cold. I've got one of them.
And
I've got
also,
the
this is the mug.
yeah.
Then we come to this one, glass.
I think I've got the glass. I think.
We do have a lot more stock of them. Due to raining, we just only keep some. This is called chama.
Chama.
Every people they give the different name. But this one normally when your feet is
Yeah.
like rough,
Yeah.
so you clean this one with it. And this is only £1. That's
Yeah.
the price.
Yeah. So guys, remember this is on Alum Road, 882A, and if you need the number, it's 0121 243 2303.